treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Chrysler 200. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-kilometer mark. It includes heated seats, front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.